Hair care kit essentials. And yes, if you don't have a hair care kit, you need one. What goes into my hair care kit? So first things first, you need a wide tooth comb. This wide tooth comb is going to help for easily detangling hair. Okay, then you need a rat tail comb or a pintail comb. There are a lot of different names for this comb, but you need it. Now this comb is going to help you with perfect parts. Nowadays we have one that has a little space up top. Get that. Next, we're gonna need hair ties that do not have a metal piece. Bonus, if they don't even have that little piece of glue gluing them together, just one continuous band. Boom. All right. And if it's satin, if it's silky, you can use those too. But for styling the hair, you're gonna need those little black ones. All right. You also need rubber bands. Oil soaked rubber bands. You do not just raw dog rubber bands out the package. No ma'am, no sir, no thank you. All right, when you use rubber bands, what you have to do is soak them in oil. You need a spray bottle, you need a detangling brush, and you need a hard bristle brush. You're tracking. Last but not least, you need a bonnet. All right, bonnet. So use code TikTok for 10% off. Hope this helps. Bye.